Magandang umaga mga ka-59. So, may konting akong i-share sa ating mga ka-59. For short, sa 11 General Order. To take charge of the post and all company properties in view and protect, preserve the same with utmost diligence. To walk my post in my military manner, keeping always on the alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. To report all violation of regulation and order I am instructed to enforce. To relay all call from post more distance from the security house where I am stationed. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, and pass on to the relieving guard all orders from the company officers or official supervisor post in charge and or chief leaders. 7. To walk in an alert manner during my tour of duty and observing everything that take place within sight or hearing. 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. 9. To call my superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. 10. To salute all company official, supervisor, and the agency ranking public official, all officers of the PNP and all commission officer of the AFP. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging, to challenge all person on or near my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority. So maraming salamat mga ka-59. May konti rin akong kaalaman na i-share sa ating mga ka-59 ngayong umaga. Security guard for coordination or communication corporation is a 3 biggest C. Coordinations, communication, at cooperation. So about naman sa teamwork, so hindi lang isang grupo or hindi lang dalawang grupo or tatlong grupo, so a biggest teamwork. So trust to the mga kasamahan natin na mga ka-59, kung hindi lang sa isang ka-59, bilang makatao, maka-Diyos, makabayan. So trust, tiwala sa isa't isa. Yan ang teamwork, part sa trabaho. So kailangan magtiwala tayo sa ating mga kasamaang 59 sa ating posting area of responsibility. So guys, maraming salamat. Hanggang dito lang po tayo muna, and God bless at all.
Okay. Narinig nyo naman guys yung sinabi sa aking kasamahan about sa security guard, at kahit pa paano mayroon kayong kunting natutunan. And goodbye, and huwag nyo kalimutan guys, paki-like at subscribe na rin din sa aking channel and paki-follow para tuloy-tuloy at mamonitor nyo aking vlog. And thank you and good afternoon.